So guys, this is the property, the mountain like. So mura siyag na moto. So this is the actual the property. It has banana trees, several coconut trees. Then there are two houses by the caretakers. Then they are already scheduled for the removal. So pwede na sila mag-alis dyan. So kasi gagamitin na ni may-ari. So that is the situation, guys. Water, electricity are available. So very nice, no? So this is the only one very affordable property located in Barangay Guadalupe, Bugo City, Cebu, the northern part of Cebu province, which is around 2 hours drive from Cebu City. So there is also a building was already damaged through the typhoon Odette before. So now the property is open for sale. So very nice, no? Mura siya nabungtod, guys, and very quiet place. So nakasibabaw ba, you're in the top and a quiet place. That is the essence of this property. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. We'll help you sell your property. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.